Hi guys, how to enable the console log or developer tools in Microsoft Edge? It's really simple. Let me show you the browser version. As you can see, it's up to date and the version is 125.0.2535. On the left side, we have our simple HTML document. Inside, we have the console log, and in this tab, we have the output. But as you can see that it's not showing our console log. So to enable the console log, click on these three dots, then the more tools. From here, select the developer tools. And at the bottom, we have our console. Then go to bottom right corner, this button, expand quick view. See, here we have our console log, this one. Also, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+I. So guys, that's how easily we can enable console log in Microsoft Edge. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.